What's up, YTV? This is your boy DJ Y, and I'm back with another episode. Guys, today we have talked about one and only legendary Nelly. So, guys, in today's video, I want to show you Nelly playing bowling with some friends, man, and celebrating some Christmas holidays. I want to wish you everything best. Happy New Year, Happy Christmas, man. Wish you everything best. Now, guys, check this out the video. Come on. Guys, as you see, Nelly is real master of bowling, bro. Don't play with OG, man. Period. Bro, everything is good, everything is fine around Nelly. You know, he's waiting new baby with Ashanti, man. God is great, man. Also, guys, into the next topic, we will talk about new upcoming music video by Nelly. So stay tuned, subscribe right till we get the notification bells, and visit hiphoptvy.com. Before I finish the video, guys, I have a question of the day. If you are a true fan of Nelly, please tell me what is your all-time favorite album by Nelly outside Country Grammar, man. You know, this album is true masterpiece. This is 10 times platinum, and we all know that this is his #1 project, but please tell me what is your favorite outside Country Grammar. Thanks for watching. Peace.